Welcome to road test of our 2012 62 plate Volvo V40 T3 5-door. We've got 33,600 miles on the clock. That's it, just 33,000 miles on the clock from you. We're just giving it a little run up the road, see how it drives. Yeah, lovely car, drives just like a solid old Volvo would drive, you know, tight as a drum, steering's good, brakes are good, gear change is all nice and slick, it's all clear on the dash, apart from the fuel warning light, which we will top up. But other than that, yeah, it's a supercar and it drives really well. It's petrol, T3 petrol in it, so it's nicely sort of proportioned in terms of power. It's smooth, but it's got a little bit of grunt if you need it. 6-speed box. Yeah, it drives really well. It's a really nice low mileage car, 33,000 miles. We've got full service history, and I think there's somewhere in the region of, and it's in the advert, I can't remember off the top of my head now, it's somewhere around 12 stamps in the book we've got for it, plus a stack of bills and invoices for all the work that's been carried out, all nicely chronologically ordered by the previous owner, so it's been really well looked after. It's got a lovely set of matching tyres all round on it as well, so all the signs are that it's been a really, really nicely looked after car. The pedigree is first class on it. We've got 2 remote keys for it as well. It is a keyless start, so you don't need to have the key in the slot to start it. You can literally just unlock it with a key and then put it back in your pocket. So it's all nicely spec'd. It is upgraded with the, I think they call it the winter pack, but it's effectively heated seats, headlamp washers. It's got heated front windscreen as well. It has rear parking sensors. We've also got rear privacy glass, so it's a really smart looking little car. It's in passion red, which is a nice metallic red that they do on the Volvo, and with the privacy glass as well, it just finishes it off nicely. It's got the nice chrome twin pipes on the back as well, which looks smart. So all round, yeah, a really nicely packaged, good value little car. Drives really well. Great on fuel, even though it's petrol, it's still good on the fuel. But all the information about the car's up on our website. But if there is any additional information that you'd like on the car itself, or the finance packages that we offer, or our home delivery service, then please do feel free to contact us at any time.